In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all calling history in Google Meet. Sometimes keeping your Google Meet history tidy is essential for privacy or organizational purposes. So let's walk you through the process of deleting your calling history efficiently. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Meet by opening your preferred web browser. Once there, simply go to the Google Meet site. Feel free to pause this video if you need a moment to type that in or find it in your bookmarks. Once on the site, you're going to experience a familiar interface displaying your meetings. But before diving into clearing your history, let's ensure you're logged into the correct Google account to access your meeting records. If you're managing multiple accounts, double check that you're on the right profile. Next up, you'll notice a small grid icon, commonly referred to as the waffle icon, generally found in the top right corner of most Google applications. By clicking this, a menu will drop down promising a variety of Google's neat applications and resources. Look for the calendar app in there. It's usually represented by a simple calendar icon that's easy to spot. So go ahead and click on Calendar. This step transitions you to the Google Calendar platform. Once you're inside Google Calendar, what you're looking to do here is manage any events that might include Google Meet links. It's an indirect but effective way of clearing those specific meeting links from your history. As you scroll through your calendar events, you might spot meetings from a while back, or those you don't need any longer. For each event you want to delete, click it to open the details. Now, in the event details window towards the top or bottom, you'll notice options to modify the event. Choose to delete it. Confirm the deletion when prompted. It's a good practice to double check that you're removing the correct events, especially if they're recurring events. Delete any old events with Meet links that aren't necessary anymore. This way you're cleaning up your calendar while also ensuring those Google Meet records are disappearing from your view. Remember, while deleting these events effectively cleans up unnecessary records from your account, it's essential to consider the requirements of any participants involved. If you're managing a shared calendar or deleting public links, ensure to take the appropriate steps and communicate with the necessary people before proceeding. And that's it. By following these steps, you maintain a cleaner digital workspace and enhance your organizational efficiency. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more of our content for additional tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.